Coffee time this morning. Got my coffee brewing. You know what? I probably should just wash that up a little bit there. Look at that. I should be embarrassed. It is what it is. But look at my little... Look, got medicine in there. Isn't that something? My husband put medicine in there. But whatever. That's his cholesterol medicine. He thinks it's the cholesterol medicine wheel thingy. But look at that. Look at that. I like that. I like that. And come on, coffee, brew. I've already had 1 cup. I'm on my 2nd cup. Today is Wednesday morning. I'm getting ready to make me a scrambled egg sandwich. Who likes scrambled egg sandwich? Look at that. Ugh. Oh, that's just the steam. I thought that was dirt. Top of the morning to you all. Yes, I've still got I'm half dressed. I've already showered this morning. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Get that butter going. Look at my creamer. Oh, I love this stuff. This stuff is like crack, I tell you. Crack. I'm going to scramble me some eggs. Oh, I ain't got many eggs. I usually scramble like 2 when I want me an egg sandwich. Whatever's left over, I just eat with a little bit of salt on the side. It's just convenient for me to put my eggs in a coffee cup because it's small enough. I need a towel. I've already got a load of laundry in the dryer. Got up at the crack of dawn this morning. So, the roads are a little icy out there. Actually, Olivia had a 2-hour delay this morning, so. I love that creamer. I'm gonna taste a sip of that. I'm really not supposed to have much caffeine, so I kind of balance it out. I have a cup with caffeine in it and a cup non-caffeine, without caffeine. 1 piece of cheese. You roll that around. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful morning. It's always a wonderful morning when I'm off work, so whoops. I should have washed my stove off before I started that. That's a little bit of leftover chili. I made chili last night. Sorry I didn't show you guys what it looked like after it was done, but it was phenomenal, of course. I love chili. You like chili? I couldn't make up my mind whether I wanted to make chili or, what is it? I don't want to take a drink of eggs. Couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to make chili or, potato soup. Well, I really wanted potato soup, but my husband wanted chili, so, you know, I aim to please always. So we had chili, and it was so good. Like I said, my chili never tastes the same, ever. It always tastes, it always has a different flavor to it for some reason, and I use the same ingredients. I tell you what the deal breaker is when you make chili. You got to add a little bit of ketchup to it. Some people use sugar. My mom used to use sugar back in the day, just a little bit, you know, to break up some of the blandness of the tomatoes. I'm gonna have some mayonnaise. I like a lot of mayonnaise on my egg sandwich. Do you? That spread right on there. And like I said, we have get a little bit more. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, we've got a major winter storm coming. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be huge, huge, huge the weekend, but that's okay. I'm off. And this is how I like to do my eggs when I make an egg sandwich. I just kind of push them together like that because it kind of makes the eggs fat. If you know what I'm saying, I like me a thick egg sandwich. I don't play. Just kind of let it cook like that. But we are, there is a huge winter storm coming this weekend, so I have to get out, and I have to work tomorrow and the next day. So I'm going to have to get out eventually and, you know, stock up on a few things that we need. Milk and eggs and stuff like that. But I'm gonna make a homemade chicken pot pie today. I haven't decided if I'm going to get down, Miss Daisy May, if I'm gonna make a homemade crust or not. I don't know, but I am gonna film it, so you guys will have that to look forward to. Where's the salt? That's all. That's the only way I do my eggs right here. And I don't like them cooked to death either. That's it. That's how I do my eggs. Gotta have a little salt. Y'all know I like some salt now. And that's it. I'm kind of anal. I have to cut my eggs to make it fit the bread right. So I always cut off those, like the edges there. I just snack those. This has got to be even. My egg sandwich has got to be even. Look at that. Now I turn it off. I'm going to let my cheese melt. I don't remember what I was saying. La-da-da-da-da, snowstorm, what have you. I'm not waiting for it to melt. I'm hungry. Look how pretty. I like to eat these little pieces here. Or sometimes I give them to my dog. Don't touch it. I like to snack those little pieces. Ooh. Hot, but good. Look, I got 2 dogs. Look. Look who else wants some egg sandwich this morning. You can't eat nothing around this house without them. They think they're human. My husband gives them everything. I tell you when I go to McDonald's, I have to get them chicken nuggets. It is true. It is true. I don't know what happened. I think the camera went off. God, you guys are too close. Back up. I'm just kidding. But she is studying to take her Tums. Look at my little Roscoe pickup train. That's my baby. They're beggars. But I'm going to get off here and eat. I hope you like this short little vlog. I'm sure I'll vlog more later. I'm gonna clean my house today. Finish my laundry. Go to the meeting. I don't know what else I'll do. Cook. But I am gonna make an amazing pot pie for you guys. I'm gonna share that recipe with you. So comforting. So delicious. Is that right, kids? But I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, always count your blessings, because you're so blessed. You woke up, you know, you woke up in the morning and you got the air in your lungs, and you know, you're blessed. Just count your blessings every day. I know I certainly do. And I appreciate you guys on watching. Look at Miss Daisy trying to steal my sandwich. Can't even have nothing. Freaking chow hound is what you are. But, you know, I love you guys so very much, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Goodbye. Say bye, Desiree. Say bye, Desiree. Bye, Desiree. Bye, guys.